Turkeys and chickens are both edible fowl that are commonly found in many areas. Their flavor is similar, but there are still many differences between the two birds. Turkeys and chicken share a similar taxonomy and are the same up until the subfamily category. Like the turkey, the chicken also belongs to the Animalia kingdom, the Chordata phylum, the Aves class, and the Galliformes order. However, it is a part of the Phasianini subfamily, the Gallus genus, and the subspecies P.f. gallus domesticus. This is the species commonly known as the domesticated chicken. Turkey fossils have been found beginning in the early Miocene era onward, all of which originated in North America. They were imported into Europe primarily by merchants from the country of Turkey, which is how they became known as turkey birds or turkeys.